Hello, hello. So right now I'm in Student View and I am going to submit an assignment. I'm going to pick the Ancient Egypt notes. So submit assignment is what is important. So even if you have students that are recording themselves or using the text entry box, got to click submit assignment. Okay. I have it set up when I chose the settings where they needed to upload a file. So sometimes it's the 4th tab, sometimes it's the 3rd tab. You can't always tell them what number tab, but it's the tab that says Google Drive. Now it says this tool is not available when masquerading. So what's going to happen is that at the top there's going to be a search bar, and then there are going to be their folders in their Google Drive. It's going to automatically go to their school Google Drive. So for some reason they completed the assignment in a personal Gmail account, they have got to move that over, share it to their school one. So there'll be a search box and there'll be folders. They can type in the search box, or if the few that are very organized, they know which folder to go into. So they'll search for it, they'll click on it, then down here they need to click submit. And then they have to click submit assignment. So it's submit and then submit assignment. And then a window will appear that says, Canvas is still processing. And then once it's submitted, over here at the top, there will be a check mark and it says submitted with the time that they submitted it. And just for students that are recording themselves, they might have to give Canvas access. So up here, there will be a microphone with a slash through it. You have to click on it, give Canvas access, and then refresh it for anyone who has yet to record themselves providing answers.